Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick afternoon update for you guys. So, YMAX, they sent out this tweet earlier. So, which YMAX ETFs are we launching next? So, it's YMAX, 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 which is interesting because I would thought they would try to release both YMAX and YMAG at the same time. So, I looked at their updated prospectus. So, it's not the end of the world, but the expense ratio is a little bit higher than I thought it would be. So it's 128 basis points. Again, not the end of the world. I don't think there's any really new surprises here. It looks like it's pretty much the same managers. Although I did note that Michael Venuto, I I don't recall this name for some reason, but I mean he's the co-founder, so I guess maybe he was busy with other stuff. And it's interesting to note that he used to be the head of investments at Global X, where he provided portfolio optimization services. So I think this is where he's probably coming in handy because he's kind of like a fund of fund managers, maybe. So that's just something that I just noticed for this go around. So again, the YMAG with the G, so there's no big surprises. Aptly, AMZ, GUI, Phoebe, MSO, FO, NVIDIA, and Tesla. And YMAX is going to be like the above seven plus all these other guys. So it looks like they're doing a pretty good job of keeping it update so far. They have everything up to the AI YY. So nothing, I guess it's nothing too exciting, but it's good to know that stuff is moving along. So it might be good for those that don't have any yield max exposure at all. Like you just want something more diversified. I think it's still a good idea to have some income-based investments, just for a well-rounded portfolio anyway. So this is just my opinion. I think the expense ratio is a little bit higher than I would like, but it's not the end of the world, but it's a little kind of surprising. But anyway, well, we don't have any control over the option strike selection. Like it's the usual risk stuff. The implied volatility is kind of heading on the in the lower side. Things could get cheaper, and of course the yields won't be consistent month to month. So, but it's good in that I'll have something new in my tracker, my analysis for the future. And of course, we can't borrow against most of them yet. So, if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. I appreciate all my old and new subscribers. Thank you very much. I hope you make some good money out there. Let me know if you're gonna buy this one in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.